Some leaders don't just manage supply chains, they reimagine them. They transform obstacles into pathways and logistics into a force for progress. This spirit was celebrated at Cargo NXT Recognitions 2025 in Delhi on 5th September at Shangri-La Eros, where change makers of the supply chain world were honored for shaping resilience, innovation and growth. Presented by Chief Guest General Manoj C. Pandey, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, former Chief of the Army Staff.
In fact, in the military, we say that amateurs talk about strategy and tactics, whereas professionals talk about logistics. Now, this is the kind of importance that we believe logistics deserves and logistics gets. Sun Tzu, who's been one of strategic thinkers, also very famously said that the line between order and disorder is logistics.
Guest of honor Lieutenant General Manoj Kumar Mego, AVSM, YSM, SM, along with Cargo NXT co-founders Yogita Bhurani and Jatin Sahni. These recognitions spotlighted leaders whose excellence inspires transformation. Excellence in QSR and food services supply chain given to Pran Raj, VP Supply Chain at Devyani International, for driving efficiency and scalability across India's leading QSR networks. Excellence in logistics management given to Manoj Kumar Maurya, National Head Logistics at Sony India, for seamless integration of electronics supply chains. Supply chain excellence in healthcare given to Bharat Bhushan Rathi, Head of Supply Chain at Mankind Pharma, for building resilient, patient-centric healthcare logistics. Pioneer in digital transformation given to Vrijendra Pal, Lead Digital Supply Chain Transformation at Panasonic Life Solutions, for leveraging digital tools to drive efficiency. Innovative Supply Chain Professional given to Priyanka Chauhan, Lead Logistics Innovation at Mondelez International, for shaping innovative, future-ready FMCG supply chains. Real-time Supply Chain Innovator given to Shonik Goyal, President and Head SCM at Sheela Foam Limited, for operational excellence in real-time retail logistics. Excellence in FMCG logistics and distribution given to Anil Kumar Mishra, National Logistics Head at Players Global, for advancing FMCG distribution networks with precision. Excellence in food and beverage supply chain given to Anuj Kumar Garg, AVP Supply Chain at Jubilant Foodworks, for efficient and digitally enabled F&B logistics. Excellence in strategic supply chain leadership given to Ajay Singh, Chief Supply Chain Officer at Hindustan Platinum, for steering strategic global supply chain practices. Excellence in global supply chain and logistics given to Girish Tuteja, VP Global Logistics at Uflex Limited, for strengthening global chemical supply chains with compliance and reach. Visionary sourcing and procurement given to Surender Kumar Narwal, Head of Procurement India at Haldiram Snacks, for innovative FMCG procurement strategies. Excellence in FMCG supply chain management given to Bharat Sabnani, Director at GD Foods Manufacturing India, for managing complex FMCG supply chains with excellence. Leadership in sustainable commercial practices given to Dheeraj Asthana, President Commercial at Atul Limited, for championing sustainability in global chemical supply chains. These recognitions honor leaders shaping resilient, innovative, and sustainable supply chains, strengthening logistics as the backbone of Viksit Bharat 2047. A heartfelt thanks to our wonderful partners who made this journey unforgettable. For more stories that inspire transformation, like, share, and subscribe to Cargo Insights TV.